to see this little beautiful white dog. And this is the condition that she's currently staying. And look at the food they're eating. I don't even know what this is. I don't know. That's the, look at how dirty the environment here. Oh, there's some dogs here. The good thing is they've all been neutered and spayed. And there she is. She's very beautiful. She's shy. Wait, Ma, you have like a chance and I asked her to put a leash on. You have like a chance and she lives here. There's water here. And it's freezing cold. There she is. Are you looking at me? And guess whatever food they have. Well, they have a little dog food here. Oh, here it is. They have bed here. Oh, so they do have a shelter. There's the bed. 没关系，我等你，你慢慢来。I'm asking to get a leash, put it on her. That way it'll be easier. Okay, so you see that she's very submissive. Head down, just lying down.
跟我走，没来，没事，很乖哦，我妹妹最乖
来，
哦。
喂妈，你牵她出来散步。
你要跟她牵得动吗？来，来，
只有这个链子，没有别的链子了，是不是？
这个链子
那个会脱逃，被脱逃了。你看，你不可以，你没有别的东西，别的链子。
别的链子的话，它也是就是这种链子比较好。妹妹，过来，
这么糟啊！这个路地方下雨天树叶，不是老话，以前个性没有这么糟了。哦，
以前没有这样子，
在这里。
越大越怕的。
She's scared. She's come back and check and look and went back hiding and there she is again. Hi, girl. You wanna come?
晚上我就把它关起来。
Set it down, letting the lady put a collar over her. This lady already 74 years old.
它就是怕的，它现在越来越怕了。别乖，好乖哦。要不是从弟弟去，弟弟过得非常的辛苦，弟弟很有自信，弟弟他就在你那里训练。
那个主人花了多少钱？多时间？
好了，开始这样子，运气很好。还有看，你看那只白脚的，在这里我就是准备送上山。
3月23要快跑。哦，你看看，快那个，快80个人，给他过生日。我到时候再给你看影片。